Did you know God chose the most unlikely creatures to feed his prophet during a deadly drought? When Elijah confronted King Ahab about Israel's idol worship, God told him to hide by a brook called Cherith. And here's the strange part. Ravens would bring him food, not doves, not angels, ravens. In Hebrew culture, ravens were unclean scavenger birds associated with death and decay. They ate rotting flesh. They were everything a holy man should avoid. Yet twice daily, morning and evening, these death birds brought Elijah bread and meat. Think about this. Elijah's ego probably expected God to provide through respectable means, maybe other prophets, maybe wealthy believers. Instead, sustenance came from the very creatures religious law called unclean. This is how consciousness actually works. Our deepest nourishment often comes from sources the ego rejects as unspiritual. The difficult person who triggers our growth, the painful experience that opens our heart, the doubt that deepens our faith. Elijah learned to receive from mystery rather than logic, from paradox rather than convention. When we stop demanding that life feed us through acceptable channels, we discover sustenance everywhere, even from ravens.